S is for the happiness of all the family. I is for the reindeer passing by the window pane. I is for the icing on the cake. S is for the smoking on the chimney. T is for the toys make the tree so tall. M is for the mistletoe where everyone is kissed. A is for the angel who made up the Christmas list. S is for Old Santa who makes everything it can. A.
Christmas.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and yours. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy